Artificial intelligence has transitioned from a budding idea into a revolutionary reality. By 2025, the confluence of AI and robotics is poised to reshape how we live, work, and interact with the world. It's an exciting time, filled with possibilities that not only make life convenient, but also unlock human potential in unprecedented ways. Let's dive into what this future entails and explore how robots are transforming the fabric of our daily lives. The rapid development of AI over recent years has catapulted us into a new era of innovation. This is not just about futuristic concepts or complex jargon. It's about tangible advancements that are seamlessly weaving themselves into our routines. By 2025, AI will have moved beyond assisting in niche tasks to becoming an indispensable part of everyday living. Robotics powered by AI will redefine industries, enhance human creativity, and make technology feel not just smarter, but personal. Nowhere will this be more evident than in how AI transforms the very pace and structure of our daily lives. From personalized morning schedules to autonomous cars and robotic caregivers, the age of smart living is undeniably here. Picture this. You wake up, and before you've even opened both eyes, your AI assistant kicks in to start your morning exactly as you like it. The bedroom lights gradually brighten, mirroring sunrise to nudge you awake, while the temperature cools or warms to your preferences. This isn't just an alarm clock. Your eye knows your schedule, adjusts for traffic, syncs with wearable devices to check your sleep patterns, and reminds you about that meeting you rescheduled last night. It's your personal guide to productivity, managing not only time but mood and energy levels too. In your kitchen, a robotic chef springs to life, brewing your preferred coffee blend and preparing a nutritious breakfast tailored to your dietary goals. Whether you're vegan, keto, or just looking to indulge, AI analyzes your health data and offers personalized meals, time and energy saved, goals achieved before you've even stepped out of the door. While your morning meal symbolized care, robotic chefs are also about reimagining food preparation itself. We're entering an era where robots no longer simply help out. They can cook from scratch, employing techniques that ensure both nutrition and flavor. These culinary robots take instructions to an entirely new level. You can upload recipes via voice or app, and the robots autonomously utilize AI to chop, blend, simmer, and plate your favorite dishes better than a Michelin star chef. This isn't an exaggeration. It's the future of convenience, where dinner time becomes less about stress and more about enjoying moments with loved ones. Further, by 2025, these robotic culinary companions will be designed to reduce food waste. Sensors and AI models will analyze the freshness of your groceries and recommend recipes based on what is in your fridge. Goodbye, spoiled produce and wasted dollars. Once you step outside your home, you'll notice a sky dotted with delivery drones quietly buzzing toward their destinations. We are seeing the dawn of hyper-efficient logistics systems, where AI ensures your packages and groceries are delivered faster, safer, and greener. On the ground, robotic carriers will join this revolution. These autonomous delivery vehicles can navigate city streets with precision, bringing goods right to your doorstep. Combined, drones and ground robots will reshape supply chains as they replace traditional delivery methods, cutting emissions and saving costs for businesses and customers alike. AI is not only about speed, it's about prediction. By 2025, predictive AI will anticipate your needs. Forgot to order milk? Your AI assistant knows you'll be running out based on past consumption patterns, and it's already coordinating reorders with suppliers. That's the power of integrated intelligence. Speaking of streets, transportation is undergoing a paradigm shift with self-driving cars. Autonomous vehicles, powered by AI, will make our commutes smoother, safer, and time-efficient. Imagine summoning a ride in seconds, stepping into an AI-driven car, and arriving at your destination without having to lift a finger. These cars are not just vehicles. They're intelligent ecosystems. They use sensors, cameras, and real-time machine learning to navigate the world safely, avoiding collisions and reducing traffic congestion. AI's ability to reduce human error will transform urban mobility and potentially save millions of lives by reducing accidents. Autonomous vehicles won't just be about personal commuting either. AI in public transportation, ranging from buses to ride-sharing systems, will collectively create smarter and more inclusive cities, rethinking accessibility for individuals who rely on reliable transit. Healthcare, traditionally perceived as limited by location, is becoming decentralized with AI-powered robots at the forefront. For patients needing companionship or monitoring, home healthcare robots will play pivotal roles. They'll remind the elderly to take medications, monitor vitals, and call for help if needed. AI won't just support your well-being in emergencies, but improve preventative care. Machine learning algorithms will analyze user data, identifying patterns that signal potential health risks. Early diagnosis for conditions like heart disease or diabetes will become faster and more accurate thanks to AI-enhanced assessments. Inside hospitals, surgical robots will redefine precision in operations, and wearable AI trackers will empower patients to manage their health remotely. The result? A world where healthcare feels less clinical and more compassionate. Gone are the days of aimlessly wandering store aisles or scrolling online endlessly. By 2025, AI will have revolutionized how we shop. Virtual shopping assistants will learn your preferences and provide customized product suggestions. You won't just get what you're searching for, you'll get what you didn't even know you wanted. Robotic cashiers and automated checkout systems will become ubiquitous, ensuring seamless and frictionless purchasing experiences. AI integration in retail will also reduce inventory waste as predictive algorithms align stock with demand more effectively than ever. From trying on clothes in virtual mirrors to tailored recommendations based on past purchases, shopping will transition from an errand to a curated experience. Education is another realm where AI and robotics promise a brighter future. Personalized learning models will adapt lesson plans to individual needs. Whether a child is excelling in math or struggling with reading, AI can adjust the curriculum to ensure growth at their pace. Beyond adjusting lessons, AI-powered tutors will provide 24/7 assistance to students, making education more accessible than ever. Robotics will also enter physical classrooms to enhance engagement. Imagine robots performing science experiments, teaching coding, or even interacting in foreign languages. Education will no longer be one size fits all. It will be a journey tailored to nurture each student's potential. Your home will also have its personal team of helpers. Cleaning robots, such as smart vacuums or window cleaning devices, will handle mundane chores with minimal human supervision. Even minor home repairs, like fixing a leaky faucet or tightening loose screws, may be addressed by robotic systems capable of detecting issues early. Security systems equipped with AI will become more intuitive too. Facial recognition, voice authentication, and intelligent monitoring will turn homes into impenetrable safe havens, ensuring that security never feels invasive yet remains robust. AI will redefine home sweet home as home smart home. While AI will handle repetitive and mundane activities, it's perhaps what it frees us to do that's most transformative. Time otherwise spent on errands and chores can now be devoted to creative pursuits, from art to writing and innovation. By collaborating with AI-assisted tools, industries ranging from graphic design to music composition are already seeing how creative robotics can amplify human imagination rather than replace it. For the first time in history, we are seeing machines as partners in creativity, helping us dream bigger and achieve more. While the vision of AI is inspiring, we must acknowledge and navigate the ethical challenges alongside it. How do we ensure that automation doesn't displace jobs without creating new opportunities? How can privacy and personal data remain protected in a world that thrives on interconnected systems? These questions are not roadblocks, but reminders of our shared responsibility. Developers, governments, and individuals alike must collaborate to shape these technologies responsibly. Only then can we ensure AI amplifies human potential without compromising humanity's essence. Beyond convenience, AI presents an opportunity to address some of the world's most pressing issues. Smart energy systems will optimize electricity usage, while AI algorithms will predict and prevent energy wastage in cities. Robotics will assist in waste management, reinforcing recycling efforts with higher precision. By 2025, predictive AI will also play a role in combating climate change by analyzing environmental data to manage resources sustainably. Robotics and AI aren't just reshaping lifestyles. They are paving the way for a greener planet. Looking ahead, the integration of AI into everyday life opens doors to infinite possibilities. New industries and career opportunities will emerge, encouraging adaptability and fostering continuous learning. On a personal level, this age requires us to redefine our relationship with technology, not as mere tools, but as partners in building a better future. The transformation isn't just about convenience, it's about empowerment. As we stand on the brink of 2025, this is not a distant dream. It's the reality we are stepping into. AI isn't simply weaving convenience into the seams of daily life. It's opening doors to a world where humans are freer to innovate, connect, and thrive. The question isn't whether we can embrace this new era, but how we'll shape it together. What role will you play in this exciting frontier? Let's ensure that as robots become more human-like, we remain deeply human ourselves, innovative, curious, and compassionate. Welcome to the world of AI in 2025. What we do with it begins now.